did extremely well, and they are the 16th most supplied vehicles here at Toyota, more than any other U.S. manufacturer.
That's right, we have a brand new vehicle called the EV4X that's going 250 miles on the charge.
We have 2 plug-in hybrids as well. Let's take it back over. What is the all-time best-selling hybrid in the entire planet? No. Is that? Got it. But Korea is absolutely correct. Jade, how about that? That's the one that kind of started it all. Okay, now, question now. Oh, no, you know what? If you guys are thinking, these are the vehicles, I'm going to have some fun for you. These are the vehicles that are currently available. I want to take something fun and brand new that you may have not, maybe some of you may have seen it, but not a lot of you have. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do things a little differently, Allie, okay? Because I want to tell some of these people about the all-new podcast. So fast and it's so cute that I want to there's a little bit of 90 seconds worth of wait.
Alright, here's what's going to happen. When you're ready, we're going to break down the top 10 facts to know about GR Corolla in 90 seconds or less. On your mark, get set, go.
Alright, GR Corolla, number 1.
Born from passion motorsport, GR Corolla is infused with the DNA of Toyota Gazoo Racing. GR Corolla, number 2.
Underneath the hood, you have a 1.6-liter, 3-cylinder, direct and port-injected turbocharged engine. GR Corolla fact, number 3.
That engine is producing 273 pound-feet of torque and get this, a whopping 300 horsepower.
Well, hold up. That's 100 horsepower per cylinder?
I know. But wait, we gotta keep going. GR Corolla, number 4.
Oh, yeah, okay. It comes in standard with a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission. It's built for rally racing and it'll rock your world. GR Corolla fact, number 5.
Standard with GR4 all-wheel drive. It is no lie that this is going to be the rowdiest of the GR family yet. GR Corolla, number 6.
The GR4 all-wheel drive system is going to have 3 different drive modes. It's going to have normal, sport, and track. It's going to rock your world. GR Corolla fact, number 7.
GR Corolla is available in 3 different grades. We have the Circuit Edition, the Core Edition, and the Super Limited Maurizo Edition. GR Corolla, number 8.
The GR Corolla is going to be a true, genuine Toyota sports car made in our factory in Machimachi in Japan. GR Corolla fact number 9.
Every single GR Corolla is going to come standard with a 1-year complimentary membership to the National Auto Sport Association. You're going to get professional driving tips, and you can attend exclusive events. GR Corolla, number 10.
It's going to be available as of this fall.
Stop that clock. Did we do it?
82 seconds. 82 seconds.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, now we're pretty
I got
fast.
tongue-tied there for a little second. You know, we're going so fast there. Great job. Yep. Now.
That was pretty fast. I don't know if we're fast as the GR Corolla, but we did pretty good.
I think we're okay there. Now, if you're thinking this vehicle, that is fast, how about some really, really, really fast cars? Because who likes cars that go over 200 miles an hour? Anybody? Okay. Who likes cars that go over 300 miles an hour? We're going to have some fun here. Let's talk racing.
To kick things off, we're going to start off with Toyota Gazoo Racing North America.
Yeah. But we're going to start off with Formula Drift. If you're an adrenaline junkie like me, this is the sport for you. Our drivers take 1,200 horsepower GR Supras, GR Corollas, GR 86s, and they slide them sideways around these tracks at speeds of over 100 miles an hour.
Now, Toyota is also a part of the fastest sport there is, NHRA drag racing. Now, imagine this. 11,000 horsepower, and vehicles that are going 330 miles per hour.
Well, you guys know the space shuttle, right? When it launches, it pulls about 3 Gs. When the GR Super Funny car accelerates, 5 Gs. It's faster than the space shuttle.
And we can't forget, though, about TRD, Toyota Racing Development, and the great American sport, which is NASCAR.
All right, for another prize, who can tell me which is the car that we drive in the NASCAR Cup Series? Also happens to be America's best-selling car. Yes, sir, the Camry. There's the one we're sporting right now in the races. That's the Camry TRD.
He was on it right there.
I know.
It is, in fact, the Camry. And you know what? TRD along with Toyota Gazoo Racing, they want to make sure our drivers are set up. They're looking great on the track, but they're also having their best time.
Best time. I get it. And they put that, when you learn on the track, putting it into the vehicles coming out of our 11 U.S. factories.
Yep, vehicles you and I brought a little drive today.
Making them even better.
And you know what? For more information on all things racing and to see all the upcoming events, go to toyota.com/racing. You can also follow us on social media.
Yeah, and I don't know if you've noticed, 2 of these racing vehicles are in front of our display as well. We have that Camry as well as the Tundra from the Craftsman Truck Series. Hey, you know what? I'm going to give away another prize. You guys ready for another prize?
Let's do it.
All right. Who can tell me? Let me think. Ooh. Anybody remember? No, I got to make this more fun than that. In the Craftsman Truck Series, what is the name of the vehicle that we drive in the Craftsman Truck Series? I just mentioned it. We have it in front of our display. The Tundra. Yeah. You know what? I'm trying to make it fun and easy and interesting. We're going to switch things up now because I love this racing thing. We're going to go from fast cars to fast people, fast athletes. Who likes the Olympics? Summer Games, Winter Games, right? Well, this past February, Team USA did extremely well, and Toyota is very proud to be a part of that.
In fact, we actually sponsored 29 U.S. Olympic athletes, supporting them all from Edinburgh, Tokyo, Beijing, even Paris.
Including our Toyota Life Spotlight athlete, Melissa Stockwell.
Okay, now Melissa Stockwell, she is such an incredible woman with a remarkable story that all starts in 2002 with her commissioning to the U.S. Army.
That's right, 2 years later, she's deployed to Iraq and become the first female soldier to lose a limb in active combat. She's awarded the Purple Heart and the Bronze Star.
Then in Beijing in 2008, she becomes the first Iraq War veteran to compete in the Olympic Games. She competes in the sport of swimming, and let me tell you, she does pretty well. And then she's selected to be the flag bearer for Team USA in the closing ceremony.
And then she moves on to triathlon. After that, she competes with Paralympic Games in 2016 in Rio.
And it's no lie that she's racked a list of pretty consecutive awards over the years, including 3 World Championship titles.
She's also a world record holder by being the first female above the knee amputee who has completed the Boston Marathon in under 4 hours.
That is impressive. And now Melissa, she is a co-founder of a nonprofit organization called Dare to Try. She's encouraging people with physical impairments to get involved in the sport of triathlon.
And Toyota is extremely proud to be sponsoring athletes like Melissa. We want to inspire everyone everywhere to start your impossible. And here's a special message from Melissa that she wants to share with you today.
So enjoy your day.
Thank you so much, Melissa. Right? Isn't that inspiring? Stories like that that inspired Toyota's new vision of creating mobility for all.
In fact, Akio Toyota, he said it best himself. He was determined to find new ways for customers to move and connect, whether it's across the country, across town, or even just across the room.
Yeah, let's do something fun. Who wants to see some cool cars from the future? Yeah, let's step into the future a bit, and we're going to do it with this first vehicle. We don't even have to go that far into the future. The future has already come to us. This is the Toyota iRoad. This is a 3-wheeled, all-electric vehicle that lets you slalom ski through the city streets.
Now this is eco-friendly, it's ultra-compact, and it's really fun to drive. It's already been beta tested in Japan and in Europe.
Yeah, well, I've already beta tested it, and I can't wait for it to come here to the United States. Okay, Next step into the future, get to meet the LQ. Now, this smart vehicle has taken artificial intelligence to the next level.
It sure has. Now, the LQ is one of my personal favorites. This is a vehicle that can actually connect with you on an emotional level. So it can tell if you're happy, maybe too stressed out, or even too tired. It would then offer to drive for you if you were too tired even.
That is so helpful. Almost as helpful as not one, not two, but three new